Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly view your recent activities on DocuSign. To view your activity, go ahead and click your account on the upper right and click on Manage Profile. Now from here on the left hand side, click on Privacy and Security. There are times when you access privacy and security and it asks you to log in to enter your credentials again, or your password rather. And so this is for security purposes. From time to time it happens, so don't be worried if you click privacy and security and it asks for your password. It's just another security measures that require you to log in. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll find a section called additional security, and there's an option there to quickly view your recent activity. So click on view and you can see all your recent activity, and this is very important because you can actually see where, when your account has been used or access to your account has been used. And as you can see right here, it shows those different times, the device, the browser, the IP address, and activity as well. So it shows what was done. And this is how you can quickly view your activity history in DocuSign. So that's it guys. If you found it useful, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and if you have any question, put them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.